ইকরাউল কুরআন আযীমুশ শান।
Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my friends, Assalamu. I would like to wish you all a very Independence Day. My name is Sain Khan, and I am the student of class 6. Today, I am here to present a speech on Independence Day. Pakistan got independent on 14 August 1947. Thousands of brave freedom fighters sacrificed their lives to get freedom from British rule. Due to these freedom fighters and brave heroes, we are living a happy life. We must perform all our duties as a responsible citizen and support country development. Let us all pledge today to work hard and make our country strongest, powerful, and developed in the world. I feel so proud to be a part of this country, as it has given me so many fond memories. Long live Pakistan. Thank you.